In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a ClickUp dashboard widget that shows changes over time. This walkthrough will help you understand how to access your workspace, open a dashboard, and use built-in widgets that reveal progress trends so you can clearly see how your work evolves week by week. To begin, go to clickup.com and sign in to your account. If prompted, continue using your Google login and select your account to authenticate. Once you are inside ClickUp, navigate to your team workspace. This is the central area where your projects, tasks, and permissions are managed, so make sure you are in the correct workspace that contains the data you want to review. Next, open the relevant project folder. Folders are used to organize related lists and tasks together, helping you maintain a clear and focused structure for your reporting. Keeping your dashboard tied to a specific folder ensures your insights stay relevant and easy to interpret. From there, go to the View options and select Dashboard. Dashboards in ClickUp are designed to bring key metrics into one unified space so you can track performance without switching between multiple views. Choose the Simple Dashboard option, which provides a clean starting layout with essential widgets already in place to help you analyze changes over time. Once inside the dashboard, begin reviewing the widgets displayed. The Unassigned Tasks widget shows work that has not yet been assigned to a team member. This is useful for identifying tasks that may be at risk of being delayed if they remain without ownership. The In Progress Tasks widget displays all active work currently being handled by your team. A steady flow here indicates consistent productivity, while stagnation may signal bottlenecks. Nearby, the Completed Tasks widget helps you measure output by showing how much work has been finished over time. You can also check tasks completed this week to understand recent progress. This is especially useful during team meetings or weekly reviews. Pair this with tasks due this week or overdue to identify commitments that may need attention or reprioritization. The Workload by Status widget gives a snapshot of how tasks are distributed across different stages. While it reflects a moment in time, tracking it regularly helps you detect patterns, such as work accumulating in review or approval stages. Finally, open the latest activity feed. This section shows real-time updates such as status changes, comments, and due date adjustments, helping you connect performance metrics with actual actions happening inside your workspace. And that is it. You have successfully accessed ClickUp, navigated to your dashboard, and reviewed widgets that help you track change over time. To get the most accurate insights, keep your tasks updated consistently and review your dashboard regularly. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.